into a green oasis. Bucket gardening offers many benefits. First, it saves space. You can grow a surprising amount of food in just a few buckets. Second, it's affordable. You can often find free buckets or repurpose old ones. Third, buckets are movable. You can easily move them to follow the sun or protect them from bad weather. Finally, you can grow almost anything in buckets, from vegetables to herbs to beautiful flowers. 5-gallon buckets are the perfect size for most plants. Make sure your buckets have drainage holes. This allows excess water to escape. You can easily drill holes in the bottom of your buckets. Get creative and decorate your buckets. You can paint them, add stickers, or even wrap them in colorful fabric. Let your personality shine through. Many vegetables thrive in buckets. Tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini are great choices. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale also grow well in buckets. Herbs are perfect for bucket gardening. Try basil, mint, oregano, or thyme. Many flowers also love growing in buckets. Petunias, marigolds, and zinnias will add a splash of color to your space. Section 5. Soil, sunshine, and food for your plants. In this section, we will explore the essential elements that your plants need to thrive, from the right type of soil to the perfect amount of sunlight, and the nutrients that will keep them healthy and strong. Use a good quality potting mix for your buckets. A high-quality potting mix is crucial because it provides the right balance of air, moisture, and nutrients that your plants need. Unlike garden soil, potting mix is specifically designed to support container gardening, ensuring that your plants have the best possible environment to grow. Don't use garden soil, as it can become too compact. Compacted soil restricts root growth and limits the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. This can lead to poor plant health and stunted growth. Always opt for a loose, well-draining potting mix to give your plants the best chance to flourish. Add compost to your potting mix. Compost is a fantastic addition because it enriches the soil with organic matter, improving its structure and fertility. It also helps retain moisture, which is vital for the sustained growth of your plants. Compost adds nutrients to the soil. These nutrients are essential for plant growth, providing the necessary elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. By incorporating compost, you ensure that your plants have a steady supply of the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Sunlight is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth. Without adequate sunlight, plants can become weak and leggy, struggling to thrive. Choose a sunny spot for your buckets. Water your plants regularly. Consistent watering is key to maintaining healthy plants. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot and other issues. The goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Stick your finger into the soil to check for moisture. This simple test can help you determine if your plants need water. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's time to water. Regularly checking soil moisture ensures that your plants receive the right amount of water, promoting healthy growth. Fertilize your plants every few weeks. Use an organic fertilizer. Organic fertilizers release nutrients slowly, providing a steady supply of essential elements over time. This helps support continuous growth and development, ensuring that your plants remain healthy and productive. This will help your plants grow big and strong. By following these guidelines and providing your plants with the right soil, sunlight, and nutrients, you can create a thriving garden that produces beautiful, healthy plants. Happy gardening! Grab some buckets and start your own bucket garden today. Section 7. Don't make these mistakes. Avoid these common bucket gardening mistakes. First, never use a bucket without drainage holes. Second, don't overcrowd your plants. Give them enough space to grow. Third, always use a good quality potting mix. Fourth, pay attention to your plant's sunlight needs. Move your buckets if needed. Section 8. Start your bucket garden today. Bucket gardening is an easy and rewarding way to grow your own food. It's perfect for small spaces and busy lifestyles. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce all season long. Pick up some buckets and get started today. You'll be amazed at what you can grow.